Today we'll be doing a strut replacement on a Ford Edge. Go ahead and remove the front wheels. Then disconnect the brake line and the ABS wires. Remove the two lower bolts on the strut that connect it to the steering knuckle. May need to tap those bolts out. Then you're going to want to support that steering knuckle and brake assembly while you go ahead and remove it from the strut. Next, we're going to go up under the hood, and we need to remove the top nuts on the strut mount. And when you get to that last nut, the strut is going to drop down, so you need to be prepared to catch that or have someone help you support it. Go ahead and put that new strut back in place. You're going to need to align it and push it through those mount holes, and then go ahead and tighten those top bolts. Now we can go ahead and reinstall that steering knuckle to the strut with those two larger bolts at the bottom, and those are going to get torqued to 166 foot-pounds. Next, you want to reattach the ABS and brake lines. Go ahead, put the front wheel on, and then make sure to get the wheel alignment checked, and then you're all done.